Hey, this is Jason with 4W Knives. This video is a part 2 of a cable Damascus video that I just finished up. This is going to be me using part of that billet to make a little everyday carry knife. That turns out pretty decent in the end. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, here is the finished shaped little, I don't know, EDC, I guess is what we would call it. As I had stated at the beginning, this is from a previous forge welding experiment I did with cable Damascus and some 1075 for the core. The cable welded pretty good, but there are some surface areas that aren't very good looking. I think I'm going to go ahead and gamble and do a hollow grind with a 10-inch wheel. I'll show you bits and pieces of it. And I say gamble just because I think if I did a flat grind, I'd be able to go all the way up to the top and make sure I removed any of the surface area that wasn't perfect. But I think it'll be okay. The core is centered and looks really good as far as that goes. So, anywho. All right, I have it all cleaned up, did all my finish grinding, got my maker's mark. I am ready to put it in the etch. I'm gonna soak it for 16 minutes. I'll turn the camera back on for the reveal. But so far, I'm liking it. I actually left it in a little longer than the 16 minutes. Kind of lost track of time. Okay, there's that. I'm going to soak it in some baking soda and water and then wet it down with Windex, and then I'll show you the next bit. Well, I'm honestly a little underwhelmed with the cable. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to soak it a little bit longer and then go from there. And a little coffee may be good for it too. I may do a coffee etch, but I don't know. A little disappointed, not terribly. Still gonna be cool. All right, this is out of a new etch, and I also did a coffee etch. I did a whole bunch of hand sanding. It cleaned it up pretty good. I haven't decided if I'm going to sand this down just a little bit or not. I kind of like the dark, but I don't know if I like it dark. So we'll see as we go. You can see the cable design a little bit. Not as good as I'd like, but it's still not bad. So now it's on to handles, and close up. I'm going to use some ebony that I've got, and I'll go ahead and show you the process that I did. And this little EDC is complete. I thought the pattern came out pretty good. My poor camera skills doesn't really do the pattern justice. But you can see on the blade some of the small designs from the different wires, kind of making a little bit of a snakeskin pattern, set off by the high carbon steel, which etched much darker. The nickel line really makes it pop, I believe. Overall, not too disappointed, considering it started off a nasty piece of cable.